Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a little driving video while I tell you everything that's wrong with my E30. Right, hopefully the audio is better for you guys this time. It's still quite loud in the car, that's not changed. That's the first thing that's wrong with this car. Is around this speed, I'm doing 60, about 3,000 RPM. I've got an exhaust rattle. It's very annoying. I know that the rear heat shield is not attached to the car, it's just resting on top of the exhaust. So that could be it. So the next thing that's wrong with my BMW E30 is the rust. In the UK we like to salt our roads just to stop it all freezing. Obviously that's not ideal for an old car, that's why you see a lot of rusty cars in the UK, and the rust has definitely caught hold of this car. Another common E30 issue that this car suffers with is the power steering reservoir is leaking. It actually got advised on an MOT this year for having a leaky reservoir or return hose, I think they put it down as, because in the UK soon that's going to be a failure, which is annoying. I might actually have to fix it, but it's been doing that for the past 8 years and I haven't done it yet, but they might have forced my hand a little bit. Another thing that's wrong, another thing that's worn with this car is the gear shift bushes. I know you probably can't see it, it's probably out of frame, but while it's in gear there's probably about 1.5 inches of play side to side while we're in 5th gear going along. So my little M40, the M40 B18, trusty engine, 141,000 miles now, which is quite a lot for an M40. You're getting very close to the amount of mileage where they commonly fail. The top end goes on them, but that happens from oil starvation over the years, because it's got a spray bar at the top of the engine, and once they get clogged you don't get any oil provided to your camshaft, so your camshaft wears down. Hey guys, we're back at home now, and now we're going to show you what's wrong with the BMW on the inside. So let me flip that camera out. Right, so the first thing is central locking. So you can see that light coming on the remote. Doesn't actually open the car. We've got to put the key in like a peasant. I know, there we go. Right, so we're getting the car, and you'll notice that I don't have anything here. So what's that gap? I hear you wondering. It's actually for this. So this is the headlight adjuster. The actual knob is inside. There you go, the knob is inside that hole. So that's actually because for an MOT here in the UK, if something's fitted, it has to work. So in that case, the headlight adjusters have to work, and on an E30, the headlight adjusters never work. So it's run by a little pneumatic system. Often it'll leak, it won't work anymore. But to solve that, to get through MT, take the knob out, put a little bit of tape over the hole. Suddenly it's not fitted, and you pass an MOT with it. It's amazing, really. So the next thing is this dashboard. This is quite common for E30s. So you can see it there, splits all the way along this dashboard where it gets hot in the sun. Obviously this dash is 31, 32 years old now, and it's seen better days. So one day I'm going to take this out. We'll probably flock it, to be honest. I don't know if there's any way we can repair this because there's a texture all across it, but we'll take it out, we'll sand it down, we'll put some little filler in, some flexible filler, and then we'll probably flock the entire dash, and that's probably how we're going to solve this problem. I'm always moaning about my seats, so this one here very worn. You can see this bit here, look. This side foam has slipped down. So there's actually a metal bar in there, which you can see that foam should be right up there. It's actually blocking this lever. So when you move the chair, this lever doesn't release actually. That's quite annoying. But these are quite hard to come by now, and I'm trying to find the fabric so I can recover it, because realistically it's just this, just the middle bit that needs doing. Get someone to sew one of those in, and she'll probably be good as new, especially when you consider the other seats are pretty mint condition. Right guys, thanks for joining me today. We're at the top of the hill now where there's snow in the fields, but not snow on the roads, so no skids for me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe below. I'll catch you next time.